Hey guys, welcome back to Algebra 1. I hope you are doing well. We're on lesson 7 today. Again, this is a super simple, easy lesson. Won't take you very long, just like yesterday's lesson, because it's built off of yesterday's lesson. So today, we're talking about, again, signed numbers and operations to do with signed numbers. Now look up here at this term, inverse operations. You've heard that term before with me. Inverse operations means that you're doing something in math that will undo something else. If one operation will undo the other, they are inverse operations. For example, look right here. 7 plus 3. So if I add 3 to 7, then minus 3. I take away 3 from 7. What do you get? 7, right? 7 plus 3 is 10. Minus 3 is 7. So we're back to 7. So this is an inverse operation when you add or subtract. They are inverse operations because after I added 3, subtracting 3, it undid my addition of 3. So addition and subtraction are inverse operations. Now look at multiplication and division. If I have 7 times 2, then divide by 2. What do I have? Again, I'm back at 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So that means that multiplication and division are inverse operations. Inverse operations mean also that they are very closely related and they follow a lot of the same rules. So yesterday when we learned about multiplication of signed numbers, that means that those same rules apply to division as well. Now in your book, it goes through carefully to prove to you why that's true. I want you to read in your book pages 50 through 51 so that you can see their proofs of why this works, why it's true. I just want you to read through it. If you feel like, I don't understand it, I don't get it, that's okay. Whew. Deep breath. You're not going to be quizzed or tested over your understanding of the proof. But I do want you to take a look at it so that you do have some kind of idea of why math works the way it does. Don't just blindly believe me. Figure it out. Because manipulating numbers is fun, but you have to understand what you're doing first, okay? So I want you to get more of an understanding. But I'm not going to take time to go through it on the video because I know it's easier for you guys sometimes to not watch a video than it is to watch a video. So we'll give that a try. If you feel like you really don't understand it and you're interested, let me know and I'll see if I can explain it to you more. Okay? But it comes down to this. When you have like signs with multiplying or dividing, doesn't matter. When your signs are alike, they're the same, your answer will be positive. But if you have unlike signs, a positive and a negative, and you're multiplying or dividing, your answer will be negative. So those are the two basic rules. If your signs are the same, positive answer. Signs are different, negative answer. Okay? So let's look at these examples. Negative 12 divided by 4. Well, 12 divided by 4 is what? 3, right. So if you have a negative and a positive, that's unlike signs. So that means my answer will be negative. So it's negative 3. How about negative 10 divided by negative 2? Well, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Good. Here, my signs are the same. So that means my answer is positive. What about this one? 20 divided by negative 2. Well, I have a positive number on top, a negative number on the bottom, so I have unlike signs. So my answer will be negative. And I know that 20 divided by 2 is 10. How about positive 20 divided by positive 2? Well, there I have like signs, so my answer will be positive. And 20 divided by 2 is 10. Oops. Okay. Can't see that one. There you go. All right. Take your book and look at page 52 for your practice. All right, pause the video now and do your practice. Okay, you should be back from doing your practice. Let's look at letter A. 4 over 2 should be positive 2 because you have the same sign. They're both positive, so your answer is positive. Letter B, negative 4 times 2. Negative 8. You have two different signs, negative 4, positive 2, so your answer is negative, so negative 8. C, negative 4 divided by 2. Well, there you have two different signs, a negative 4 and a positive 2, so your answer is negative 2. D, positive 4 times positive. D is negative 4 times negative 2. That would be positive 8, because your signs are the same, they're both negative. Letter E, negative 4 again times negative 2. That's the same thing, positive 8. Now this one they did just like this to show you that it's still multiplication. Doesn't matter how you write those numbers, you can write them either way. It's both multiplication and you get the same answer because you have the same sign, both negatives, so positive 8. Letter F, 4 divided by negative 2. So you have two different signs, that means it's negative, your answer, negative 2. G, negative 2 times 4, again, two different signs, so it's negative, negative 8. Letter H, negative 4 divided by negative 2, two of the same sign, so your answer is positive, positive 2. All right, if you have any questions, let me know, okay? Now you can do your lesson. And don't forget, you don't have to do it twice. Yay. Okay, have a good day. Bye.